Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. It is going to be a huge Ulta haul, so I actually made two different purchases at Ulta. I went in store and I went online. I did some damage, so I'm going to be sharing what I got with you guys in today's video. We'll swatch everything and I'll show you guys all of the products. If you guys are ready to see what I ordered from Ulta, go ahead and keep on watching. I just got this in the mail. I just opened it up. I haven't even looked inside yet. I literally just got it. I've been waiting for this package all day so I could film this video for you guys. And to be honest, I kind of forgot like certain things I ordered, so I'm kind of excited to go back in this. I definitely did some damage. I bought a lot of stuff, so I am excited to go through everything. So the first thing, what is this? Oh, I was like, what the heck is this? So I actually got, I forgot I even got this. So with my order, there was like a promotion where if you spent X amount of dollars or something, you got a bunch of stuff like in a kit. And it looks like we even have some full-size stuff in here. I didn't know what was gonna come in here. It was like a free 25-piece set or something with a, I think it was a $6 purchase. I definitely spent more than $6, but okay, so let's pull everything out because I don't even know what's in here. The first thing I see is the all-nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray. This is like a little mini guy. I absolutely love this. I love having one to travel with as well. We have this little, this is a sample. This is from The One, and it is a color shampoo and conditioner. And let's see what else. So we have, ooh, this is exciting. So this is from Living Proof, and this is a styling cream, multitasker styler for your hair. I've always wanted to try their products, so that'll be fun to try. We have an insensitive eye treatment mask. And what else do we have? Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. So this is an oil renewal system, and this is, so we got a lot of hair stuff in here. A skin shield from CosRX. And I know you guys want to see like what I actually bought, but I'm kind of curious what's in here too. We have an LA Girl blush. This is like a little sample blush. It's actually a pretty good size. Some of the stuff in here looks like it's like pretty decent size. This is a Divina Curl Leave-In Treatment. We have a little mini Hangover RX. This is the face primer. I've actually never tried this, so this is a little mini guy of that. From Murad, we have the Nutrient Charged Water Gel Cream. I feel like this is like an unboxing. Like I have no clue what is inside of here. So this is the Maracuja, ooh, Soothing Oil. So a little oil. I feel like it keeps going. This is a little perfume sample. We got makeup wipes. Ooh, so we have the makeup remover facial towelettes. This is from the Ulta brand. That's kind of nice. I think there is, how many is in here? I can't tell. It looks like, oh, okay, 5 of them in there. And we have some more samples of perfume. We also have a couple of, this is the Tarte Maracuja oil sample or Maracuja eye cream. This one is a vitamin C serum. Okay, so we have the Mario Badescu Glyconic Foaming Cleanser. I've never tried that before. And then we have a nail polish. Ooh, this is actually a pretty color. This is Climb from OPI. It's like a really nice nude color. And then I seen this in there. So this is a clear brow gel from Anastasia. It's like a deluxe size, it looks like. And then we have from Beauty Pop Sugar a little mini lip gloss sample. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little mini guy in there. And then we have something from Dermalogica, Bare Republic. And then, ooh, this is the one that I saw that was like in the little like sheet. I wasn't sure if this was gonna be in there, but this is from DuraBlend. This is their loose setting powder. I've actually always wanted to try this. It's just like a little mini sample, but I've heard a lot of people say really good things about that. And oh, we have a couple more things. I thought that was everything. So we have from SmashBox, we have a little lippy. This one is in, I can't tell the color. It's like a really nice like red color. And then the last thing in here is from MAC, it looks like. And it is a cleanse off oil. So that was a lot of products, and then there's like a nice bag as well. But that was a lot of stuff in there though. I'm kind of surprised at how much stuff. Like I knew it said 25 things, but I didn't know like how decent size. Like we got full size nail polish, quite a few like deluxe size things. We got the makeup wipes. That was a pretty good perk. If you guys were able to snag that, then that was pretty good. And then we got like our regular samples in here. And then now let's get into the products I actually purchased. So the first one I got is the Becca Skin Love. This is the Weightless Blur Foundation. I have been wanting to try this ever since I saw that it was coming out. And I got mine in Sand. So here's what that looks like. I'm so excited to try this out. So it has a little pump on the end here, and I'm gonna see what the color shade looks like because I'm super curious if this is gonna be the right shade for me. It was kind of hard when I was looking at the shades. I feel like this looks a bit too yellow. I don't know, I might see if I can make it work, but I might have to trade this in for a different shade. I really wasn't sure when I was looking at the shade range, like which one to get, but this might work better for me like in the winter time when I'm more fair, which I feel like this kind of foundation would be good in the winter time. It might not be that far off. I'll try it definitely on my face and see how that works out. And then I also got a little mini guy of the SmashBox Photo Finish Primerizer. I heard a lot of people talking about that the mini size of this is actually a better value than getting the full size one. So I ended up just purchasing the mini. I have somewhere in my desk here like a super tiny sample of it from Sephora. And I really like it, so I wanted to get a more full size, even knowing it's a mini size of it, because I do really like it. And I feel like I'll use this more than the one that I have to like dump out from Sephora. And then I also purchased, this is already opened, the new Tutti Frutti. This is the Do You foundation from Too Faced. So I'm so excited about this. So here is what the packaging looks like. If you guys want to see like a dedicated video on any of the products that I have in this haul, let me know. Or if you want to see a first impressions with any of them, also let me know. I want to see what the formula of this is like because I actually got the same shade. What's really nice about this foundation is they have the same shades as their Born This Way foundation. So I just got the shade Natural Beige, which is my perfect match in the Born This Way. So I'm excited to see how this is. I feel like I've heard like mixed reviews, so I'm kind of curious to try it out. But here is what it looks like swatched out there. So it definitely has like a little bit of luminosity to it, and I'm excited about that one. That one's probably like the number one thing. It has a nice smell too. The number one thing that I like wanted to try, and that what prompted this order, even knowing I ordered so much, that was the thing that I originally wanted. And then I also got the NYX Total Control foundation. I was on a foundation kick. You guys know I love trying out foundations. But I ended up getting that. So I've actually tried this, but I've tried it in the palest one. I remember I got like the palest version so that I could mix it in with my other foundations. But I've never actually had the actual foundation. Like I've never had the proper shade to actually try as a foundation. So I got TCDF11. I think is the shade. That's the long shade, but that is the one that I ended up getting. So I'm excited to try this out. And then I also got from NYX, where is it? This is their brand new foundation. So the NYX was buy one, get one half off, I think, or buy one, get one free or something. So I think that's why I ended up getting the other foundation, because I was like, well, it's only $7. So this is the new foundation I got from them. This is the Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage foundation, and I ended up getting that from them, and I got it in the shade True Beige, so I'm hoping this is a good match. It's nice packaging too. It's glass. I wasn't sure if it was going to be plastic or glass. And then with the Becca order, I got this little velvet blurring primer. So this is just like a perfecting base. I don't think I've tried this one. I'm not sure if I have or not. I know I have tried one of their other primers. I can't remember if it's this one or not. This is just like a little deluxe sample that was free with my purchase. And then what else? Ooh, I can't even remember what I ordered. That's when you know you ordered too many things, or I'm like, what else is in here? So I forgot I got this. So this is from Dose of Colors. So I ended up getting a highlighter, and this one is in Baby, I think it is. And this is in collaboration with Anastasia. And I've seen a lot of people with this highlight, and it looks so pretty. Look at the packaging. That is so cute. And the thing is this one I was kind of on the fence about, because when you look at it in the pan, like it looks super dark. Like it wouldn't work for me at all. But I've seen quite a few people who have fair skin tones use this, and it looks so pretty on them. So I want to try it and see how it looks. I heard even when you swatch it, it looks dark, because even on my hand right there, like it looks way too dark for me. So I'll be curious to try this out on the face. Let me know if you guys want to see that in a first impressions or not. Because like I said, a lot of people were saying like it looks dark when you swatch it, but when you apply it on your skin, it isn't as dark. But look at how pretty that looks blended out. I'm so excited to try this. And then I also got, this was another set that you could get when I purchased the Becca foundation. It was an option to add this into the cart for like $4 or $5 or something. So I just went ahead and added it. So it is the Becca. This is their Prep and Set Matte Never Flat Prep and Set set. So this one has their setting powder, which I actually really like, and then one of their Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfectors, which I think is the same sample I have there. So it's just like a little set. I thought I could put this in a giveaway for you guys because I already own the loose setting powder, and I just got this in the little mini. With it only being a couple dollars though, I thought I would throw it in a giveaway for you guys. It's a nice little set in case you guys were wanting to try those out. And then the very last thing that I purchased was another item from the Tutti Frutti collection. And I got the Pineapple Paradise. This is the strobing and bronzing highlighting duo. And I have it in Pineapple Sun. I am so excited about this one. I actually watched a video last night. It was Madison Miller, and she did a review, and this looked so good on her, so I'm excited to try it out. Look at the packaging. This is so cute. It has like the pineapples. Oh my god, that's adorable. And it actually has the corner. That is so cute, and it pops up in the corner. I don't think I've ever seen one that does that. Aww, I love. It has a little pineapple there as well. And I'm gonna swatch. I'm gonna do it on my other hand because I know I have like highlighter all over this hand, but I want to swatch. The highlighter feels nice. Okay, yep, that's gonna be pretty. And then I love Too Faced bronzers. Their Snowbody bronzer is like one of my favorites ever. And I've been wanting to get another one from them. So when I saw they had the duo, I was like, well, that's a perfect little duo there. So here are these swatches. Look at how pretty that highlighter, and the bronzer shade looks a little orange when I'm swatching it, but in the pan it doesn't, so I'm not sure how that will apply on the face, but I'm excited to try this out, and it smells good. Again, this whole line I think smells really nice, so that is exciting. I'm so excited. I have so many things in front of me, and I'm like, what do I want to play with first? As if I didn't buy enough stuff online, I also decided I needed to go in store and get a couple more things. So there's that. But the things that I got in store is from Drybar. This is their, I don't even know what you would call this. So large 2.75 ceramic. This is basically a flat roller for your hair, or a hair comb. I don't know what you'd call this. I guess a hairbrush? A flat rolling hairbrush? I'm not really sure, but I've been really wanting to learn how to blow out my own hair. I've been watching tutorials, and a lot of the tutorials I watched, they were using this brush right here. It's a $40 brush, so there's that. Had a 20% off, so I did save some money on this, but it's an expensive brush, and I'm not even sure if I'll be able to do my hair the way I see in these tutorials, but I'm gonna try. And let me know if you guys have ever tried this or anything from Drybar, because I've never tried anything from them. So I'm not sure really the quality of it. I'm assuming it's going to be nice. And then I also, while I was there, in the same aisle, they had the It's a 10 leave-in treatment. And I've been wanting to get a hair treatment to use. You guys know that I do have my hair extensions in, but I deal with a lot of damage in my natural hair. So I wanted to go ahead and pick this up for a long time now, and I saw it next to there, and I was like, I might as well just get it. So I ended up getting the one that has the keratin in it. There was like a couple different ones I could have gotten. So this is just like a leave-in treatment. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. I know a lot of people rave about this and say it's really good. I had a sample of it like a long time ago. I remember I really liked the way it made my hair feel, but I never ended up purchasing the full size. So while I was there, I just went ahead and picked it up, and this little guy was expensive too. It was like 20 bucks. So I'm like, this thing is so tiny, but I'm sure it will do wonders on my hair. But after that is going to do it for all of the items for this huge Ulta haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of the products that I did purchase. Like I said, if you guys want to see reviews on anything, first impressions on anything, let me know what you want to see down below. I'm sure I'll do foundation reviews and stuff like that, but let me know how you guys would like that. If you want to see more first impressions, or if you want to see more thought out reviews, let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to like and subscribe before you guys go, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye, friends.